Thank you. Are we ready, Ms. Lynn? Okay. This is the bid opening for 2015-20 for HVAC improvements at the Pringer Center. The first bid is from Air Systems. For a total cost of $418,628. 418,628. Second bid is from Harold G. Butzer. For a total cost of $129,500. 129,500. What?
Gotta look.
Oh, well, I think it's an alternate, but. Okay. The third and final bid is from Environmental Engineering. For a total cost of $659,000 even. 659,000. These will be reviewed and taken under advisement. That's all she wrote. Did I give you this?
No, you haven't.